everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Train. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories, and namhlanje guys sikhuluma nge-smoke and mirrors. La sesithi ke uphakathi uyamgojela uThandiswa waphinde waphula kundlela futhi by framing someone this time. Uphakathi guys uhlanganise u101 ngendaba yengubo yomshado kaThandiswa, wavela wabona ukuthi uyena lo owabulala ke umthetho. Kubese kuvela ukuthi ke omunye wesihlobo sikaThandiswa owaphuma ejele waphuma before her wedding. She then requested him ukuthi ke athathe ke i4 for her, bazomkhokhela ke imali ehlangene ke no baby dad wakhe ke uSakhila. Ke kwaphela kanjalo ke ngecala likaThandiswa nomthetho, waphinde waphunyuka futhi uThandiswa, leaving uphakathi confused and miserable because leli cala besethi ngampela uyalihlanganisa, kodwa ke something came up yamblocker futhi. Kodwa ke guys, ngelinye ilanga ke iyobuya lento azoyiphendula futhi ke uThandiswa uyomdayisa nje lo bhuti ngelinye ilanga, one of the good days uyomdayisa ke naye, and we hope uphakathi ke uyobe saphila ukuthi ke awitness lelo qiniso lelo. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.